You can use the library catalog to easily find a journal and then, in most cases, access it online. Start by visiting the library's website, library.okstate.edu. Type the title of the journal you're looking for into the search field and press Enter to perform your search. For example, I want to find a publication called Space Research Today. When I do a search for that title, I get plenty of results, but all I want is the journal, not books or other sources. Fortunately, the library search found a journal title that matches the one I searched for. It shows up in a box at the top of the screen, along with additional information such as subjects, ISSN, search within this publication, and more. You can also use the filters beneath the search bar to narrow your results to a specific journal. This helps if you're looking for journals about a particular subject but don't have a title in mind. I'm going to search for construction technology to see if I can find a journal that might be good for my research. I see a suggested title like before, but in this case, it's a book and not a journal. Fortunately, the filters beneath the search bar can help. I can click peer-reviewed journals to show only journals that have been peer-reviewed. Or I can use the source type filter to find additional options such as academic journals. These filters can be used to narrow my results to find journals that might contain research I'm interested in. There's another option called Publication Finder that works great for finding specific journals. For example, a friend told me about a journal that's all about gaming research, but I don't remember the exact title. I'll start my investigation by doing a search for gaming research. The results include ebooks and articles, which isn't all that helpful since I'm looking for a journal. To find what I'm looking for, I can click the Research Tools menu at the top of the screen and select Publication Finder. This loads a new search interface that only looks for publications, not individual articles within publications. If I do a search for gaming research, it only shows a handful of results, and the top one is exactly what I'm looking for. If you need help, you can use the library chat, visit answers.library.okstate.edu, or email libraryhelp@okstate.edu.